Hello YouTube, this is Tony Williams from Inaxsys, and today we are going to show you how to do playback on the Legend mobile app. Let's get into it. Okay, so here we're inside the Legend mobile app. So right now I'm looking at live view of a few cameras, but if I want to do playback, you can see a big huge blue playback button at the bottom here. So we click that, and it's going to immediately start giving me some video. If I need to change dates, I can pick the calendar and go back to another day and time. I'm just going to continue on here. I can move this little timeline bar, and you can see the blue motion recorded video, and then the orange or red kind of event based video. And you can see up at the top, and then when I let go, it's going to it's going to start playing from that point in time. Okay, so from here I can do things like start recording. Okay, so I can record my screen, what I'm doing on here. I can take snapshots of video if I want. I can speed up the speed. I can go 2 times, 4 times, etc. And you can go down to 1/4 of the speed or half speed. Okay, so I'll just go back to 1 time speed. And then basically, if I click record, it's now starting recording, which is going to save that video locally on my phone. Okay, so clicking it once again stops that, and then I can view that video, and there you can see different pictures and clips that I've saved directly on my phone today. Okay, and that is basically it for playing back video on the Legend mobile app. Pretty simple. So now we've learned how easy it is to play back video, save images, do some little recording directly on the Legend mobile app, right? Pretty simple. Remember, if you have any questions on that, just hit the comments below. Remember to like and subscribe. And also remember that Inaxsys is a full basket manufacturer of access control, video surveillance, intrusion products. We have camera systems, we have PoE switches, we build custom servers for all your surveillance needs, or even access control workstations, monitors, PoE switches. Yeah, we've got it all. We have sales reps across the country that are here to help you design your systems, put together bill of materials, help you quote it. If we're able to, we'll come out to site, do a site walkthrough with you, do end user presentations. All you got to do is reach out. That's simple. Thank you.